Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of auto-confirm purchase order in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This powerful tool automatically confirms purchase order as soon as they are created, reducing manual intervention and speeding up the supply chain. Ideal for businesses handling high volume purchases, it ensures a seamless workflow, minimize delays, and keep inventory replacement on track. With real-time automation, you can focus on strategic decisions while Odoo handle purchase order confirmation effortlessly. So, first of all, we will go into the purchase module and here we will create a new RFQ. Here, I am selecting wood corner as my vendor and I am selecting corner desk right side as my product. Now, after saving, you can see this purchase order is in RFQ stage. Here you can see your purchase order 12 is in RFQ stage. Now, I am going to select this purchase order and under the action button, here you can see your action button. Under that, you will find a menu name Auto Confirm Purchase Order. Click on that and here you can see the purchase order you just selected. Now you can also choose purchase order from here. So I will be choosing purchase order number 5. Now you can select your journal in here. I am selecting bank as my journal. Here you can select your warehouse. So I am selecting my warehouse here. After that, click on confirm orders. Here you can see the purchase order number 12 is in purchase order state. Here you can see your purchase order is in purchase order state. You can also see a receipt and a vendor bill is created. If you open that, here you can see the receipt is in done stage and also the vendor bill is in posted state and also paid. Not only this 12 number purchase order, but also the 5 number purchase order that we added from the wizard, you can see that is in purchase order state. And if you check the receipt, you can see that it is in done state. And if you open the vendor bill, you can see that it is in posted state and also it is in paid state. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.